Welcome to our channel. Need to delete your Apple ID? Follow these important steps to permanently remove your account and understand the consequences. Step 1. Back up all important data first. Save photos, documents, and purchases as deletion is irreversible. Step 2. Sign out of all Apple devices. Remove Apple ID from iPhone, iPad, Mac, and other Apple devices. Step 3. Visit privacy.apple.com website. Apple ID deletion must be initiated through Apple's privacy portal. Step 4. Sign in with Apple ID credentials. Enter your email and password to access account deletion options. Step 5. Select Delete Your Account option. Navigate to the Data and Privacy section for deletion request. Step 6. Review deletion consequences carefully. Understand you'll lose access to iCloud, purchases, and Apple services. Step 7. Choose reason and verify identity. Select deletion reason and complete security verification steps. Step 8. Receive and save access code. Apple provides code to track deletion request or cancel if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.